first function of this project is, in case of any gas leakage, this sensor...
These charging coils that are attached on the road, that is, here is the primary coil.
This is built using simple components like an Arduino Uno, a servo motor, and an ultrasonic sensor.
The RFID sensor continuously looks for cards or tags. Whenever a card or tag is brought near the...
This is our smart project, Home Automation. We have 3 components in it.
Starting off, the soil moisture sensor detects the moisture of the soil.
When the light falls on it, it changes the direction according to the light.
The fact that we've been chosen as a hub school for Atal Sarathi project. Now this is something which is not new to us, because ATL Dwarka is known as a hub of excellence, innovation. We've had right from the creation of some very innovative projects like Divyang Dastane, the Blind Man's Stick, the Kisan Suvidha app. There are so many novel, innovative and creative projects made by our children which have won acclaim at the national level.
It's always been as energetic and as lively as we step into BBPS Dwarka. We have been here in 2 instances. One was when you were celebrating a community day 2 years before, and the last year when we were here with the agricultural ministries. Both the instances were become the case studies now. The first one being, it is only of the few schools where it's not only the one ATL in charge who is kind of having all the responsibility roles going here and there around. It is the responsibility of almost 4 to 5 teachers who is handling innovation and entrepreneurship at the school level. And this has become the case study of BBS Dwarka, and we have floated to all the 10,000 schools across the country. And the 2 years before when we were here, it was amazing to see that the innovations were not only happening in the STEM, it was happening in the music, it was happening in the arts, and that's why in the upcoming years in AIM 2.0, in ATL 2.0, our focus is now changing from STEM to STREAM.